Ripple XRP is part of an elite CBDC program. Ripple had announced a massive XRP plan, which puts Ripple's XRP crypto token at the heart of all CBDCs. The future financial monetary systems are all going to be based on CBDCs. Every government and every central bank is going to have its own CBDC, and Ripple is building a core component that will power all of this and make XRP be the world currency for them all. Hey guys, and welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, a channel where we give you information about investing in crypto. Please like and subscribe if you are new here to get everything you need to know about cryptocurrencies. In today's video, you will know about how CBDCs are the next big financial disruptor, how Ripple offers a unique platform for CBDC. You will also know about how Ripple is part of the largest Bank of England and how Ripple will replace the CBDCs. So, let's start our video. CBDC, a next big disruptive force. Wall Street is warming up to the idea that the next big disruptive force on the horizon is central bank digital currencies, even though the Federal Reserve likely remains a few years away from developing its own. Led by countries as large as China and as small as the Bahamas, digital money is drawing stronger interest as the future of an increasingly cashless society. A digital dollar would resemble cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum in some limited respects, but differ in important ways. Rather than be tradable assets with widely fluctuating prices and limited use, the central bank digital currency would function more like dollars and have widespread acceptance. It also would be fully regulated and under a central authority. Chetan Iyer, the chief economist at Morgan Stanley, said in a report for clients, "A major move to introduce central bank digital currencies or CBDCs could actually disrupt the financial system." Efforts to introduce CBDCs are gaining momentum, with as many as 86% of the world's central banks exploring digital currencies. Indeed, a 2020 survey from the Bank of International Settlements indicated that nearly every central bank in the world at least did some work on these digital currencies. Some 60% are working on a proof of concept testing, though just 14% have actually launched a pilot program or are in development. Even with the seemingly intractable move toward digital currencies, backed by central banks, US authorities seem determined to take their time. Powell also has said the Fed will not act without specific congressional authority and has said that there are multiple concerns that need to be addressed. While central banks' CBDC initiatives are not intended to disrupt the banking system, they will likely have unintended disruptive consequences. Morgan Stanley's Iyer said, "The more widely digital currencies are accepted, the more opportunity for innovation and the greater scope for disruption to the financial system." Ripple offers a unique platform for central bank digital currencies. Ripple says that distributed ledger technology, or DLT, will be the basis for most CBDCs, just as it is for today's cryptocurrencies. We don't believe that that's a foregone conclusion. While many central banks see the advantages of DLT, they've also voiced concerns about the novelty compared to existing infrastructures and the scalability issues. This scalability issue is where Ripple makes its pitch that its solution is designed to issue cryptocurrencies and for payments. The company claims in a scale of tens of thousands of transactions per second and potentially hundreds of thousands in time. It also notes that it's 61,000 times more efficient energy-wise than Bitcoin. But then, central banks weren't about to use Bitcoin. Another point in Ripple's favor is the solution incorporates RippleNet. The XRP ledger has appealed mainly to money transfer companies, but very few banks. In contrast, RippleNet is used by several big banks who say positive things about the technology. Japan's SBI built out MoneyTap based on the technology, which acts as an interbank payment system. SBI is even developing ATMs powered by Ripple Tech. Given most central banks plan to involve commercial banks, that knowledge and endorsement could be powerful. Ripple also totes a potential for interoperability and proposes a network of CBDC ledgers to enable full settlement interoperability. 4 central banks recently announced a multi-CBDC bridge project to explore interoperability. In reality, Ripple's technology may be a well-valid technical option for some central banks. We are not aware of it being tried out for this purpose so far. Bank of England, Ripple, and CBDC. Ripple is a top contender for England. The Bank of England and HM Treasury, in mid-April, announced the joint creation of a central bank digital currency, or CBDC, task force to coordinate the exploration of a potential UK CBDC. A CBDC would be a new form of digital money issued by the Bank of England and for use by households and businesses. It would exist alongside cash and bank deposits, rather than replacing them. The government and the Bank of England have not yet made a decision on whether to introduce a CBDC to the UK, and will engage widely with stakeholders on the benefits, risks, and the particularities of doing so. The task force will be co-chaired by Deputy Governor for Financial Stability at the Bank of England, John Cunliffe, and HM Treasury's Director General of Financial Services, Catherine Braddock. As appropriate, other UK authorities will be involved in the task force. Sir John Cunliffe, Deputy Governor for Financial Stability, has spoken on the institution's plan to launch a UK central bank digital currency, or CBDC, in a speech last month. Sir John Cunliffe said it looks probable that the state would need to issue some form of digital cash to retain citizens' confidence in the availability of public money. Cunliffe said, "The knowledge that under-stressed depositors have the option to switch into state money may be important in preventing a more general loss of confidence in money. Such loss of confidence could see more customers locked into private money," he said, citing stablecoin launched by big tech platforms as an example. These are likely to have greater functionality and lower transaction costs than the current commercial bank digital money offering and could quickly attract a large number of users. The Bank of England's FinTech Accelerator announced in 2017 that it is conducting a POC with Ripple to demonstrate cross-border payments and settlement using two different real-time gross settlement systems, or RTGS. This collaboration marks the first instance of a central bank exploring how it can use blockchain technology to enable improved cross-border payments. Ripple's solution is built around the open and neutral interledger protocol and serves to power interoperable payments across different ledgers and networks. The goal of this POC is to showcase the synchronized movement of two different currencies across two different RTGS systems, and how this kind of synchronization might lower settlement risk and improve the speed and efficiency of cross-border payments. The Ripple solution utilized by the bank was built around the open-source interledger protocol that enables payments to be made across different ledgers and networks across the world. A ledger is essentially a file used to record transactions measured in terms of a monetary unit of account. The solution used Ripple Connect, which acted as an interface that enables an institution's internal systems to integrate with Ripple Network. Ripple will replace central bank digital currencies. Ripple published a blog post saying it's piloting a private version of the open-source XRP ledger to provide central banks with a solution for central bank digital currencies. Numerous technology, consulting, and payments firms are vying to provide central bank digital currency or CBDC solutions for what will be lucrative long-term deals. One of the highest profile ones is MasterCard. The XRP ledger is becoming more popular amongst organizations around the world for cross-border payments. In May 2021, Ripple released a report on XRP and highlighted a jump in the adoption of XRPL. Ripple is also planning to support NFTs on XRPL. Ripple claims its CBDC private ledger, which is based on the same blockchain technology that powers the XRP ledger, is able to satisfy the needs of governments and economies with a secure, controlled, and flexible solution. Over 80% of central banks are actively studying the development of their own digital currency, and Ripple claims its CBDC ledger is both private, for transaction privacy and control over the currency, and interoperable, to connect with today's existing global financial infrastructure as well as other CBDCs and other digital currencies, as well as customizable. According to the CoinMarketCap, at the time of writing, the XRP price today is 94 cents USD, with a 24-hour trading volume of $2.5 billion USD. XRP is up 1.06% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 7, with a live market cap of $43.4 billion USD. It has a circulating supply of 46 billion XRP coins and a maximum supply of 100 billion XRP coins. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it could be a big help to you. What do you think of this video? Or if you have any suggestions, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to click the bell icon, and thanks for watching.